Hello everyone, it's Joe again. From the invention of flight, including the first successful manned flight by the Wright brothers in 1903, aviation technology has progressed greatly. Since the 1950s, mankind has been revolutionized by a technology that came to be known as the jet age. Back then, the gas turbine engine was invented and implemented into our aircraft, enabling us to fly supersonic for the first time. The jet engine is all based on Newton's third law of motion, which states that for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. I've been a fighter aircraft crew chief for the past 14 years, with experience on both the F-16 Fighting Falcon and the F-15E Strike Eagle. Today, I'll give you a brief overview on how the gas turbine jet engines, like the ones used in our fighters today, operate without getting too technical. There are four main functions of a jet engine: suck, squeeze, bang, blow. That is intake, compression, combustion, and exhaust. This all equates to one mission: produce thrust. First, let's talk about the intake. The intake is where air first enters the engine. It consists of large blades with some that spin, which are called rotors, and some that don't spin, which are called stators. These large rotors and stators control and direct the flow of air and efficiently provide it to the compressor section. Which brings me to the compressor. The compressor does exactly what the name implies. It compresses the air provided by the intake. It consists of many small rotors and stators that take the same volume of air from the intake and squeeze it down. This makes it extremely volatile and perfect for combustion. The combustion chamber is where all that compressed air enters, with fuel added and then ignited to provide the bang of combustion. This combustion takes all the cold, dense air and basically heats it up. The fuel used is a mixture of kerosene and gasoline, which actually makes jet engines more economical than piston engines. Then now, hot air is transferred to the turbine and exhaust sections. The turbine is a set of blades that's connected to the compressor blades via a shaft. Its main goal is to turn the compressor and thus making the whole engine self-sustaining provided fuel and spark. After the mixture has passed through the turbine, the exhaust nozzle harnesses all that energy and converts it into velocity, aka thrust. If you can imagine blowing up a balloon and then letting it deflate while flying across the room, then you've witnessed the basic principles on how jet engines work. Through this amazing technology, we have been able to travel farther and faster than we ever have before, while being extremely fuel efficient for military, civilian, and commercial aviation. Thank you all for joining me in this short view on how jet engines work. Have a nice day.